So this is the instruction of the final project of the class. At the end of the class, you have to write a term paper, which is basically a 15 pages paper. So you have to write it in 15 pages. The font is 12 point. Is the normal spacing, and the theme, it has to be, or the topic, it has to be something to do with data science or digital transformations. It has something to do with probably your project, maybe part of your thesis, maybe I don't know, maybe transformation in your company, or maybe something that you are interested in. It could be anything. Now, the content itself, it doesn't have to be something really new that you have to develop. So this is not a thesis or dissertation. This is just a class project. So what they have to do is just write a paper. If you can compare it, this is in terms of the content, it is similar to the literature survey or literature study in your thesis documentation. So it's basically you're trying to get an idea. Maybe the idea, it could be new. If it's new, it's better. You have an idea, and then you read some references, and then you create some kind of a summary about that idea. So what you have to do is you create a summary. So that's the minimal requirement. You get a summary, something new, maybe a literature survey, maybe the state of the art on that subject, or maybe some kind of idea that is also possible. So that's the content. And then in terms of the references, you need at least 3 references. Why 3? Because if it's less than 3, it means that the subject is very difficult, or you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to do research. Usually people get like 7 or more than 7 to 20 references. It's common to have more than 10. Now, within this 15 pages, basically the terminology, the proper terminology is a technical report. So it's a report that is a bit technical, not technical in terms of programming, but it is a bit of technical. It's not kind of like an article when you publish it in a newspaper or the magazine. So it's more technical than that. But if you publish it in, say, a journal, maybe it's not good enough for a journal, but it is more difficult compared to the normal article in a newspaper. So it's somewhere in between. So if you look into the definition, it's technical report. So your term paper is a technical report. The topic is something to do with data science or digital transformation. You have to do it yourself. You cannot use somebody else's work, because that's considered plagiarism, and plagiarism, it's considered very bad sins in academic, and you'll get, basically fail if you do that. The language could be in English or in Bahasa Indonesia, I don't mind. So 15 pages, minimum of 3 references. I'm going to give an explanation more about how to write a good paper, but that's basically the requirement of the paper. Okay, so that's that. I guess that's all for now. I'm going to update this video, but at least you know how to aim. Okay, you can start preparing for your term paper. Morning. Bye.